Hi guys, it's Kimmy from Kimmy Illustrations. It's not Wednesday Adams. And I'm here to tell you about our very first Halloween crafting competition. Well, it's our very first competition really, so it's super exciting. And what's it all about? So we have a free skull download and you decorate this skull either in its entirety or you can create maybe a spooky mask and you can decorate it however you want. You can use crayons, pens, pencils, paint, sequins, glitter, go nuts, have lots of fun and have lots of fun together too. Just always remember to put protective paper down on that table. You don't get extra points for decorating your dining room table, unfortunately. So, how to enter? What you do is you will click on the link. It'll either be up there or down there on this post, and that will take you to the Halloween competition information on our website, where you will get as well your free download. And you can download as many as you want. You can enter as many as you want. You can enter 10 if you want. You just can't enter the same thing 10 times because that's cheating. So yeah, you go on there, enter, and then have lots of fun, lots of family fun. Be careful if you're using scissors or glue. Just be careful and super safe, guys, with your crafting activities. And then you post your entries to this Facebook post, which will be pinned to the very top of the page, just to make it super easy. And if you can post them by the 22nd of October, that's when it stops. And I will be looking at the winning entries, see who's won. There's 4 prizes in total. On the 24th of October, I think, is the Sunday. That's a lovely Sunday job for me to do. So that's what we're going to do. So what are you going to get? What are you going to get if you enter and if you win? So there's 4 prizes. The first prize is a £20 voucher to spend on Kimmy Illustrations stuff, and also some lovely little surprise goodies there as well too, because it is Halloween. And there are 3 runner-up prizes as well, £5 voucher each to spend on Kimmy Illustrations, as well as some lovely little goodies as well. So there's no purchase necessary to enter into this competition. All you need is your download of your skull and away you go. But if you do have lots of super fun with your skull activity, remember it is part of the Halloween activity pack, of which you'll get a colour card and 4 lovely cards for you to colour in and send on to your family and friends who need scaring this Halloween. Here you go. There's our gorgeous skull. And there's a spooky fun fact on the back of every card. Don't say that too fast. And you can put your name there, who's coloured it in. It comes with envelopes as well. And it's made with FSC certified 300-gram card. You can hear the quality, yeah? And then we also do have those characters as well in full colour options on the website too, just in case you've missed them. There you go. So yeah, have fun, enter, tell all your friends about it. Let's have some fun together creating our Halloween spooky skulls, okay?